Hi guys, so this is me again, Jeansy Veral, and welcome to my channel. So today is I'm going to show you how to cook a chicken thigh or paa ng manok using air fryer. There are several ways on how to cook a chicken. Either you can grill it, you can bake it in the oven, you can deep fry it using oil, or well, the technology evolved, so now they added air fryer. So instead of me using oils, I'm going to fry this, not fry, but I'm going to cook this using the air fryer. And as what I have known, that air fryer is healthier than the deep fried oil, because compared to cooking this with oil, air fryer it will really dissolve some of the fats of the meat, and then in cooking it with oil, it can add more oil on the meat. So if you are into healthier living, if you are a type of person who don't really like fatty food, so I suggest use air fry. This is my air fryer. It is product by Ninja, and as what they said, Ninja is the best. They have the best of the best air fryer. And let's see, and I've been using this one for several days now. I've got this from Mother's Day, so I already cooked chitterlings or chicharong bulaklak. I already roast a fish here or air fry a fish here, tilapia. I already also air fry salmon here, and a french fries. So I never tried chicken yet, so this time is I'm going to make chicken. So this one, so I already marinated this with paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and then the total seasonings, and then Cajun spices. So this is, I already marinated this for an hour, so I'm hoping this will really, the flavor will really soak under the chicken. I'll just turn this on, and then it says here that chicken should be 390 Fahrenheit, good for 22 to 26 minutes. So I'll do that. I'll start 26, or I'll do 22 muna. 22. And then I'm going to add 2 thighs per cooking. So wag yung kalimutan ha na ibaluktot siya or ibaliktarin after. So that's the first one, and then this is the second one. I'll just do it this way. Okay. Yan. So, and okay. So, yep. That's it. Okay guys, so the first load of the chicken is, I did not really wait for 22 minutes because I need to second fry it, and then I don't want to overcook it also. So I'm loading the second I'm loading the second one for 20 minutes. So this is the first load, guys. Look. Here. So I'm going to air fry this for a second time, and then I'm going to, what I will do is I will do the back portion of this. If I'm going to do a second fry. So third load is on the air fryer pot. So let's just do 15 minutes in here, but it depends. It depends if I'll do 15 minutes or if I'll do 10 minutes for this one. Okay. Here, I'm going to do the second fry for my chicken. So I will put this upside down. Earlier I put it this way, so now I'm putting it that way. And yep, air fryer. I'm part of your show now. There. And I will air fry this for 10 minutes. Still 390 and 10 minutes. So after 48 years, so I finally finished cooking the chicken thigh. So tell me if there's really difference between the the deep fried chicken thigh and then the air fryer. Yep, that's the after cooking the chicken in the air fryer. It looks delicious and healthier. And also, I'm going to show you the excess fats that the air fryer extracted from the chicken. It's a lot of fats here. Look at that. Those are the fats that was extracted from the chicken. It's a lot. And don't worry, I'm not going to save this one. So yes, that's how are you going to use the air fryer in air frying a chicken thigh or chicken or maybe any other meat. And thank you again, guys, for supporting my channel, and I am hoping this simple information is a big help to you, especially if you are not into fatty foods. So thank you so much and enjoy watching again. Bye bye.